entered what is likely to be the very last week of the lockdown that was imposed by the Prime Minister, that was extended in fact till May the 3rd. Now there is no word yet on whether or not the lockdown will be lifted on 3rd May, but so far it seems unlikely that places like Delhi and Noida and other cities, majorly metropolitans that have seen a huge outbreak of the disease, will lift restrictions anytime soon. However, no official word on that yet. And now the number of positive coronavirus patients in India is nearing the 28,000 marks with 872 deaths. Maharashtra continues to lead in the number of cases, followed by Gujarat. Delhi also reported a huge spike in cases on Sunday. In fact, even of major concern is the fact that Kerala, which seems to have handled the crisis well so far, is once again reporting nearly 24 cases of coronavirus from places that were green zones so far. What is also of major concern are the asymptomatic carriers of coronavirus who cannot be tested, who show no symptoms, and therefore are not tested for this contagious ailment. Now, a big development today is also the fact that state chief ministers are speaking to the Prime Minister, and what is on the table is a discussion on the exit strategy of lifting the lockdown. A graded lifting of the lockdown is being planned, especially in places that are green zones, that have not witnessed any coronavirus cases over the last 30 and more days of the lockdown. That is on the cards. Apart from that, states are also reluctant right now to ease restrictions in other places, especially in hotspots and containment zones. Their restrictions will surely remain. However, even mass gatherings and interstate transport and other such things, for now, there is going to be restrictions imposed on them. Even now, social distancing norms have to be practiced. Even states are of the opinion that mass gatherings be banned for some time, and even educational institutions be delayed, at least their openings be delayed by some more weeks or months. In other news, the Ministry of Home Affairs had already clarified on its latest guidelines about what restrictions have been eased, and when it's in its latest guidelines, when it also eased restrictions on the operation of shops in residential complexes and outside the municipal limits except for liquor stores, it has once again issued an additional clarification that only shops selling items be resumed, their operations can be resumed, but not shops offering services. There were many places where barber shops had resumed operations, but then even restaurants had started opening up their dine-in services, but then the Ministry of Home Affairs has clarified that these services cannot operate, only shops selling items can. Now, there are also plans to perhaps evacuate Indians who are stranded abroad and who want to return home once the lockdown is lifted. And the Foreign Ministry is in consultation with Indian missions abroad. It's also held consultations with the Civil Aviation Ministry for such an evacuation once flights can start operating again and once the lockdown is lifted in the country. This is likely to happen. These consultations are on as of now, and such special flights will be arranged once they resume, and this arrangement will vary from state to state depending on the lockdown situation. And also the word is that the evacuations will be made on payment basis. The Indians stranded abroad will have to pay a fee to be flown back home. And that's all for today. We will keep you informed on the latest updates on the lockdown that is useful to you. Thanks for watching.